I'm about to tell you something that might sound exaggerated, but it's not. The first time you accelerate in a Tesla Model Y, your brain rewires itself. You're expecting a normal car. Your body gets pinned into the seat. And you realize cars can feel completely different than everything you've ever driven. That moment is why I'm talking about this today. The Tesla Model Y isn't just another electric car. It's what happens when you strip away a century of car-building tradition and ask, what if we started over? And the answer is surprisingly good. If you're even slightly curious about what the fuss is about, stick with me for the next 5 minutes. The Model Y looks clean. There's no grille because there's no engine. No transmission tunnel means the inside is flat and spacious. Aerodynamically, it cuts through air like a knife, 0.23 drag coefficient. That matters because better aerodynamics means more range. Flush door handles, full glass roof, front trunk. It sounds like a list of features, but it's really Tesla saying we're doing this differently. The trunk holds your groceries. The front holds your road trip gear. You get more usable space than gas SUVs. The interior is stripped down. One stock for everything car-related. A 15-inch vertical touchscreen handles everything else. No confusing button clusters. No unnecessary gauges. Just screens and clean surfaces. Minimalist doesn't mean cheap. The seats are supportive, the steering wheel responds instantly, and the whole cabin feels solid. It's minimalist because they removed what doesn't matter, not because they're cutting corners. Here's where the magic actually lives. You've got 3 powertrain options. Base RWD, 1 motor, 260 horsepower, 6.2 seconds to 60. That alone is faster than most people expect. Long range, dual motors, all-wheel drive, 325 horsepower, 4.8 seconds to 60. Performance, 456 horsepower, 3.5 seconds to 60. Sports car fast. But here's the thing nobody talks about enough, electric motors deliver full power instantly. There's no gear shifting, no delay. You press the accelerator, and you accelerate. Immediately. Not after a moment. Right now. That's why even the base model feels quick. That's why the performance model feels insane. Range depends on which version you buy. RWD gets you 330 miles on a charge. Long range is similar. Performance drops to 315. In real life, that means you charge overnight at home and never think about gas again for your daily commute. Cold weather. You'll lose range. Maybe 30% in extreme cold. Plan for it. Highways. You're more efficient at 55 than at 75. Drive gently, get better range. Drive aggressively, burn through it faster. That's honest. Regenerative braking means the car slows down and charges the battery simultaneously. After a week of driving, you barely touch the actual brake pedal. The car slows itself. Your brakes last forever. This is where the rubber meets the road. The Model Y handles better than you'd expect for something this size. The battery mounted low means the center of gravity is low. Corners feel planted. The steering is responsive. The acceleration is genuinely addictive. The silence is disorienting at first. No engine noise, just tires and wind. Some people love it. Some find it weird. You get used to it either way. Autopilot does what the marketing says, it assists. It doesn't drive itself. You still hold the wheel. You still pay attention. But on highways, it handles lane changes and following traffic. On some roads, it'll take corners automatically. Your hands are on the wheel. You're monitoring. It just reduces fatigue. The infotainment system is fast and intuitive. Navigation with real-time traffic. Music streaming built in. Games, Netflix, YouTube in the car. Wi-Fi included.